Nowadays, customers are used to interact with AI technologies. They expect getting an answer in few seconds. To avoid losing customers and increase conversions, Speechor app responds to your customers faster and accurately, based on your instructions and your business data. Install the app. Go to Setting. Integrate your AI model. Describe the agent mission, and provide more data about your business. Set colors and style of your chat widget. Check our example to get inspired to write a good prompt. Go to your editor, activate the Speechor chat widget. The widget will be available to your website visitors and ready to interact with their inquiries. Keep customers satisfied. Install Speechor AI Chat Agent.